American 3141, reduce speed to 170 and turn left heading 170 vector space.
170 knots, heading 170, American 3141.
Elvis 3043, reduce speed to 190, then descend and maintain 4,000.
190 on the speed, then 4,000, Southwest 3043.
American 2053, Sky Harbor 2 o'clock, 14 miles.
Inside for American 2053.
2053, turn right heading 050, clear visual approach, runway 7 right.
Heading 050, clear to visual 7 right for American 2053.
Barney 845, contact approach on 126.8, see ya. American 3141, Sky Harbor's 10 o'clock and 12 miles.
Inside American 3141.
3141, thank you. Also, you have company coming in to the south runway at 12 o'clock, 3 miles. They're out of 4,700. Turn left heading 110, clear visual approach runway 8.
Heading 110, clear visual 8, American 3141, traffic inside.
Thank you. Delta 2419, contact tower 118.7, see ya.
Wichita, good day, Delta 2419.
Air Flight 4 Charlie, contact approach 124.9er, see ya.
124.9er for 54 Charlie.
Have a good day. Southwest 3043, turn left heading 170 vector space, descend and maintain 3,000.
Alright, left turn 170, 3,000, Southwest 3043.
American 2053, you have company joining you for the parallel runway just behind you out of 3,500.
Inside for American 2053.
Thank you.
Approach, hello, United 1724, 10,000, descending on the Hydra.
United 1724, Phoenix approach, welcome, expect runway 7 right.
7 right. Good morning, approach, Delta 1070, side at 947, standing on the arrival.
Delta 1070 Heavy, Phoenix approach, welcome, expect runway 8.
Runway 8.
American 2053, contact tower 120.9er, see ya.
20.9 for American 2053.
Southwest 3043, do not exceed 170 knots. Now, Sky Harbor's 10 o'clock, 11 miles.
Alright, still in sight, slowing, Southwest 3043.
Thank you, American 3141, contact tower 118.7, good day.
187, American 3141.
Southwest 3043, turn left heading 110, cleared visual approach runway 8.
110, clear for the visual runway 8, Southwest 3043.
Southwest 3043, contact tower 118.7, good day.
Over tower, Southwest 3043, have a good one.
Thank you. Central aircraft information echoes current at Phoenix altimeter 3010.
So there's 2657, checking on with you in 9.4, descending via 7.
South 2657, Phoenix approach, welcome, expect runway 7 right.
7 right.
Delta 1070 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000 for Delta 1070 Heavy.
United 1724, Sky Harbor 1 o'clock to 2 miles.
Inside 1724.
United 1724, thank you, clear visual approach runway 7 right.
Cleared visual 7 right, United 1724.
Delta 1070 Heavy, turn left heading 170, vectors base, and do not exceed 190 knots.
190 knots, and give me the heading again.
170.
170 on the heading, and 190 knots for Delta 1070 Heavy.
Thank you.
Phoenix Roach, good morning, Count 3101, heading 260, 84, descending 7,000, expecting 8.
QM 3101, Phoenix Approach, welcome. And you are following a heavy heavy Airbus 330 in your 12 o'clock, 6 miles, turning base now for runway 8.
We got that traffic in sight, Count 3101.
QM 3101, roger, plan to follow that traffic, caution wake turbulence, descend at your discretion, maintain 4,000.
By discretion to 4,000, we'll follow that traffic, Count 3101.
QM 3101, just plan to follow, don't follow them quite yet.
Copy, we'll plan to follow 3101.
Thank you.
Approach CTS 9872 is level 8000 with Delta.
Southwest 2657, fly present heading, vectors to final, descend and maintain 5,000.
Present heading down to 5000, Southwest 2657.
UBS 9872 Heavy, Phoenix Approach, welcome, expect a visual approach to runway 7 right now, fly present heading, and reduce speed to 190.
Okay, yeah, we just changed it to runway 8 because it's just kind of taking too long. Is there any chance we can just do 8 now?
UPS 9872 Heavy, yes, reduce speed to 170 then, and you can still fly present heading, maintain 8,000, I'll lower for you shortly.
All right, slow to 170, present heading 8000, UPS 9872 Heavy.
1070 Heavy, turn left heading 100, clear visual approach runway 8.
Left to 100, we do have runway 8 in sight, cleared. United 1724 responding. And Delta 1070 is responding to a TA or an RA.
1070 Heavy. Roger. UBS 1724, thank you. Let me know when you are done and the traffic is beneath you, a heavy heavy Airbus.
United 1724 is responding to a TA.
United 1724, roger. Do you want to be resequenced?
Hey, Fairham, United 1724.
United 1724, climb and maintain 5,000 to right heading 180.
5000, right turn 180, United 1724. What would you like Delta 1070 to do?
Sequence.
What would you like Delta 1070 to do?
I'm sorry, I don't understand that.
Okay, do you want us still on this approach?
Delta 1070 Heavy, if you would like to proceed inbound for this visual to runway 8, you can, or I can resequence you.
Let's resequence.
QM 3101, turn left heading 180, vectors base.
Left turn 180, 3101.
Delta 1070 Heavy, climb and maintain 4,000, turn left heading 360.
4,360 on the heading for Delta 1070.
QM 3101, turn left heading 170.
Left turn 170, 3101.
UPS 9872, reduce speed. I'm sorry, you're already at 170, descend and maintain 6,000.
Descend and maintain 6,000, UPS 9872 Heavy.
Southwest 2657, turn right heading 360, descend and maintain 3,000.
Right 360 down to 3,000, Southwest 2657.
United 1724, turn right heading 260, vectors downwind.
Right turn 260, United 1724.
Beeline 3101, turn left heading 110, Phoenix 10 o'clock and 11 miles.
Left turn 110, Phoenix inside, Count 3101.
Beeline 3101, turn left, or fly heading 110, clear visual approach runway 8.
110, cleared visual 8, Count 3101.
Southwest 2657, Sky Harbor 2 o'clock, 13 miles.
Field side, Southwest 2657.
Southwest 2657, turn right heading 050, clear visual approach runway 7 right.
Right 050, clear the visual approach runway 7 right, Southwest 2657.
UPS 9872 Heavy, Sky Harbor 10 o'clock, 13 miles.
Inside, UPS 9872 Heavy.
Thank you. UPS 9872 Heavy, turn left heading 110, clear visual approach runway 8.
Left turn to 110, clear for the visual 8, UPS 9872 heavy.
Delta 1070 heavy, turn left heading turn left heading 260.
Left turn heading 260 for Delta 1070 heavy.
Keyline 3101, contact tower 118.7, see ya.
Over to tower, I'm going 3101.
United 1724, turn right heading 350, vector space.
Heading turn 350, United 724.
UPS 9872 heavy, there's southwest traffic in your 1 o'clock, 3 miles going to the south runway.
Yeah, we got him in sight, 9872 heavy.
Thank you. Southwest 2657, contact tower 120.9, or see ya.
120.9, great day to you, Southwest 2657.
United 1720, descend to maintain 4,000 VFR traffic in your 11 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction, indicating 2,700.
4,000, looking United 1728.
United 1724, Sky Harbor 2 o'clock and 2 miles.
Insight, United 1724.
United 1724, turn right heading 050, clear visual approach runway 7 right.
Right turn 050, visual 7 right, United 1724. Phoenix Hello, Empire 4802 is at a 6.4 for 6,000.
Empire 4802, Phoenix Rush Roger, expect straight in runway 7 right.
Expecting straight in 7 right, Empire 4802.
UPS 9872 heavy, contact tower 118.7, see ya.
187 UPS 9872 heavy, we'll see ya.
Delta 1070 heavy, turn left heading 170, vectors base.
Left turn 170 for base for Delta 1070 heavy.
Approach Sky 3384, 7,500 descending via Bruiser.
Sky was 3384, Phoenix approach, welcome, expect runway 8.
8, Sky 3384.
United 1724, contact tower 120.9, or see ya.
1209er, take care, United. 1209er, take care, United 1724.
You too, thank you. Delta 1070 heavy, Sky Harbor 10 o'clock, 12 miles.
Insight for Delta 1070 heavy.
Delta 1070 heavy, thank you, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descend to maintain 3,000 for Delta 1070 heavy.
Delta 1070 heavy, turn left heading 110, clear visual approach runway 8.
Left turn to 110, clear for the visual to runway 8 for Delta 1070 heavy.
Delta 1070 heavy, contact tower 118.7, good day.
118.7 for Delta 1070, good day.
Empire 4802, make straight in runway 7 right, maintain maximum forward speed, resume appropriate VFR altitudes.
All right, make straight in, 7 right, we'll keep the speed up for you, maximum forward for Empire 78, or correction 4802.
You Sky was 3384, following heavy Airbus A330, just over 900 miles ahead, caution with turbulence, Sky Harbor Airport 10 o'clock, 13 miles.
Roger, inside Sky 3384.
Sky was 3384, cleared, visual approach runway 8, reduce speed to 190.
Cleared visual runway 8, slow to 190, Sky 3384.
Approach level 336.54 south and field side.
Now 330 Phoenix First, roger.